now that we're here, what do we do?
Well, why don't you guys start getting to work and we can, start making Mars its our own thing.
Bleep, bloop, bleep, bloop, bleep, bloop.
We don't need to. We shouldn't talk to her. She's evil. We shouldn't talk to her. We shouldn't talk to her. You guys just stay with me. Follow me. Oh no! Where are you going? Where are you going? No, stay.